morning, treasurers. This is your host, Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. After the joyful festival of color, here is all what you need to know before going into trade for 30th of March 2021, the second last trading day for the year. In the international market, US Treasury yield climb as vaccine rollout and jobs report come in focus. Investors will be keeping an eye out for updates on President Joe Biden's infrastructure plan, which could cost north of $3 trillion, which is expected to be announced on Wednesday. US 10-year closed at 173 and 30-year closed at 243 on Monday. US 10-year had retreated to 162 for a couple of sessions but could not sustain there, and it seems 160 has become a new floor. Ceiling for US 10-year seems to be 210-220 for the December 2021, which is another 40 to 50 basis points high from current levels. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $65.15 per barrel, short-term range is 63 to 67. As we had said in the previous podcast, that as our entry point is $60 per barrel was right, we are still holding the position with $5 per barrel profit in a week. There is an OPEC Plus meeting scheduled on April 1st, but due to EU lockdowns, OPEC Plus will still wait before it eases out the production cuts. In the currency market, dollar index or DXY is at 92.25. Remember, from 92 levels we have been bullish on DXY and have been continuously guiding our listeners for 94.25 progression if data and market sentiment supports. DXY's today's range seems to be 92.74 to 92.99. We repeat, if DXY closes above 93 for a couple of days, which is a minor hurdle, then it is moving towards 94.25. USD CNY or Chinese Yuan is at 657. USD INR with a high of 72.53 closed at 72.51 on Friday. USD INR's range for today seems to be 72.60 to 72.90. As we have been saying in our podcast for the last 2 days, that dollar is becoming stronger. For immediate resistance, we see USD INR top at 72.82 for now. But if DXY is trading at 94.25, we will see USD INR at 73.50-74 level very soon. In the domestic market, 515 GS 2025 closed at 562 versus 564 the previous trading day. 585 GS 2030 closed at 612 versus 615 the previous trading day. There is a strong resistance for 585 GS 2030 at 611, beyond which 608 is also possible. Remember, we had advised to take a position in 515 GS 2025 at 576 on 2nd March 2021. We do not see any immediate further fall in 522 2025 and now advise our clients to book profits at 562 with 14 basis points or approx 56 paisa or approx 2.5 lakhs on a single lot profits. We at Night Research continue to maintain our stance that March ending should be near 615. We still maintain our stance that if you have to book profits or loss before 31st of March, please do so, and today may be your last chance. That's it for today. You were listening to Night Snippets with Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Night Fintech. See you tomorrow with the new episode of Night Snippets.